Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research on making affiliate marketing videos, but you're afraid of the camera. Well, you're in the right place. And over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you some useful tips and strategies how to get better on camera and make good affiliate marketing videos. This YouTube channel that you're watching is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing. So click the subscribe button down below and don't miss out on any new videos that come out. And also, if you're interested, if you click the link in the description directly below the video, you can get access to my 4-day free training video series. Great tips in there on how to get started in affiliate marketing. So, making affiliate marketing videos, but you're afraid of the camera. There's one thing that I can tell you: practice makes perfect. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a killer tip or killer exercise that will help you greatly overcome your fear of the camera. But more on that later. So, let's start off with a couple of basic things. Always look at the lens. Now, if I look away from the lens to look at myself on the screen, it means I'm not looking at you. So the lens is the eye of your viewer. So you look into the lens and try and smile when you're talking. That will help you put yourself at ease, and it also looks better on camera anyway. Which neatly brings me into my next thing. It doesn't really matter what you look like. Nobody is interested. No one cares what you sound like. No one cares what you look like, what shirt you've got on. What they're interested in is the content, what you've got to say. People are generally searching for things on YouTube to solve a problem. And in affiliate marketing, that's what you do. You solve people's problems. And if you can do that with great content, then brilliant. But don't be afraid of the camera. It's treat it like you're talking to another person. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can always repair things. You can always take out bad parts with the video editor. There's various softwares that you can use which are totally free, and you can edit your videos, cut out the bad bits. And if you make a mistake, simply just pause, take a breath, and then make the point again. And if you make a mistake, simply pause, take a breath, and then make the point again. See what I did there? Prepare what you want to say in advance. It's always good if whatever subject you're talking about, you've got a little bit of knowledge about. But prepare yourself. Think what you're going to say. It's not a good idea to actually write out a full script and then try and memorize that script, because trying to talk to the camera and then get your words out from a memorized script can often come across slightly wooden. It's not a good idea. So what I tend to do is make bullet points of what I want to get across, what I want to say, and then just ad-lib across that and just use that as a starting point. So affiliate marketing video is such a powerful medium for getting people to see you, and that's also a great way of getting them to trust you, getting them to like you as well. That's quite important. And it's much easier to do that on video than it is in a blog article. Yeah, it's great for getting content over, but people like to actually see videos, see who they're dealing with, and that is why using video either as part of a blog post or on YouTube is such a really important thing to do. So if you can keep practicing, you will get better at making videos. Now at the start, start of this video, I mentioned a killer exercise which will help you get better. Quite unorthodox, but let me explain. So what you need to do is record yourself, make a video, just a short video, could be a minute, 2 minutes. Talk about something that you know really well. You could just talk about yourself. Now, the thing with this exercise, nobody is going to see the results. This is not to go up anywhere. This is purely a practice exercise. So record yourself, a minute, 2 minutes, talking about yourself or anything that you've got knowledge about. So record that video. Don't watch it. Just leave it where it is, and then record a video immediately again. Exactly the same topic, same subject. Just talk for a minute or two, looking directly into the lens, make your video, and then when you stop that video, instantly delete it. That's right, delete the video. Then start again. Record a third video, do your piece, delete it, record a fourth video, delete it, and do this until you get to the 10th video. Now, record the 10th video, stop, then go back and watch the first video. This is important, that you don't watch the first video until you've recorded all your 10 videos, 10 short videos. So you watch the first video, then watch the 10th video, and see the massive improvement that you've made. It's when you do your first video, you can't, because it obviously is quite an unnatural thing talking to a camera. So that first video will be a little bit shaky, a little bit wooden. But by the 10th video, you've got used to what you're saying, and it just rolls off the tongue. So it's a really, really useful exercise. And I say once you've done that exercise, the videos are for no use other than for your training. So you can just delete them. But practice is most important in recording videos. So, now, I hope you got some value out of that. Try that. Let me know how you get on, actually. I'd love to hear from you. In fact, if you've got any comments, just leave them in the box below. I'd love to get some feedback. And also, if you've got any other topics that you want me to cover in affiliate marketing, I'm quite happy to make a video to cover any subject in affiliate marketing. And don't forget, click the subscribe button down below. Don't miss out on any other videos. And finally, if you want to learn this and more amazing tips and tricks, ninja tactics on getting started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description below this video. It's been good to talk to you today. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye now, and good luck.